Hey guys, so as all of you know, we are conducting this PSU test in our platform every week. So what we are finding is that a lot of students are scoring very less in aptitude. The same toppers who scored very good in technical subjects, they were able to get like 12 out of 15, 13 out of 15, but they are not able to score more than 10 in aptitude. So I am just making this video to discuss with you like what is the problem you are facing so that we can discuss and make it better for you. So you can put it in the comment section. What are the problems you are facing when you like take these questions? I know the questions are a lot easier when compared to any other exam, especially in PSUs and all. But the only point here to note is that it is not like you have sufficient time to answer them. You will have around just like a minute to answer. For technical questions, simple one word question, you just read the question and you answer it. At maths, very less questions will have formula application, but so it will just take you 30 seconds to answer it. But that is not the case with aptitude. It takes a little more time to answer it, even though if you know it. Sometimes it could take 1.5 minutes. Sometimes you know question for sure, but it is going to take you 2 minutes. So you should be smart to avoid that question and come back to it later. So such things, that practice is what plays an important role in aptitude, and not just like random practice. You have to practice in a proper way. So if you are facing any difficulties, you have to let me know in the comment section. We'll try to address as much as possible so that you can score good in aptitude part in PSUs as well. Because if you see in PSUs like DFCCIL or HPCL, aptitude has a very significant weightage. Even though if you're scoring good in technical, you need to score good in aptitude as well. So you should not be ignoring that, even if you know it. Okay, so that is what I wanted to talk about in this particular video. And you also know that we are having PSU test on our platform every week, and this week we have dedicated to aptitude. So what I would suggest you to do is go ahead and attempt this test, and there are like 15 questions in 15 minutes for 15 marks. So if you are unable to score more than 10 marks, you just let me know in the comment section what exactly is the problem you are facing when solving it, and I will try to make videos so that we can make it slightly better so that you can also improve. And one more thing you have to notice, aptitude is just like, you can think like if you are like starting to drive a car, what you would do? First you would try and learn it. You'll learn the gear mechanism, you'll learn the clutch mechanism, at what speed to go, what speed to change the gear. That is your learning. So you have to learn concepts in aptitude as well. So that is one part of your preparation, and it can't stop there. After that, you have to drive it on the road, obviously, and you will just see where is the gear and then apply it and all that. So that will be for your first 100 to 100 kilometers. But after that, it will just become like a mental ability for you. You will be able to like do it in your sleep also, just quickly drive around anywhere, wherever you want. So that is happening by practice. So if you practice in the right way, you can get there. And whichever you don't know, you can always come back and see the steps, like see the concepts behind that. So that is one tip I am leaving you with. And obviously, I want you to let me know in the comment section what is the problem you are facing. Then we can give you like some tips to get over it and improve your score.